How to download and install Amazon app on iPhone. First, open the Apple Store. Then, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Next, on the search field at the top, type Amazon. Select the Amazon app in the search result. After, tap on Get to start downloading this app. If prompt, use Face ID, your password, or Touch ID to confirm the download. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Then tap Open to start using the Amazon mobile app. Touch the subscribe button for more Amazon tutorials. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks!